All right, thank you so much for watching my video again. This is Chris Walker at Orr Hyundai in Russellville, Arkansas, Orr Auto Mall, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Goes well with Hyundai's powertrain warranty as well. This is a 2020 Sonata SEL, and just want to show you a few things on the radio system. With this has the convenience package, premium package with the Bose system, which gives leather seats, heated seats. Also has the driver guidance package and a panoramic sunroof option. A few things I want to show you with this 12-inch screen here. So be patient with me. As you can see, there's one of the speakers for the Bose system in the doors, and then we're going to start this vehicle up, and as you can see here on the radio, 12-inch screen, and we can swipe, and that's our main menu, and we can swipe back and see there, and then there's one more section there. We have a user's manual as well and a setup menu with the icons. This radio system is set up for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. One thing I want to show you with this particular video is the icon for sounds of nature. Hopefully it doesn't blow you out with the how loud it is, but when you hit sounds of nature, it's kind of soothing when you're driving. But this is the lively forest, and we can go to the calming seas. I don't know that I'd want to do this while I was driving, because it might put me to sleep. But if you need that beach sound, you have it there. Rainy day, so if a pretty day like it is today outside, sunshine, and you need the sound of rain, hey, more power to us. Open air cafe, just for a little noise in the background. Cozy little warm fireplace here. And last but not least, the snow village right here. Somebody walking in the snow. But you can see the Bose center point sounding here. And then we'll go back to the calming seas or the lively forest. So that's what I just wanted to show you today in this YouTube video. Going back to our main menu, we can go back to the sounds of nature, use this button to shut it off, and we're back to our menu, or even go to home screen here. All out here at Orr Auto Mall, Russellville, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. You can catch me on Facebook at Walkerdrives, your friend in the car business. Also catch me on Twitter, and also catch me Instagram. Thank you so much. Have a very blessed day. Catch me with your auto vehicle needs. 479-747-0584.